Start. Order. The order of the court was delivered by Justice Alok Aradhe. Dash. Point 1. The core issue involved in both the writ petitions is whether a public asset can be disposed of without ascertaining its market value in a fair and transparent manner. In order to appreciate the controversy involved in the writ petitions for the facility of reference, we are referring to the facts from WP number 3151 of 2011. Para 2. The erstwhile Town Improvement Trust Jabalpur prepared a scheme, namely scheme number 18 Civic Center Jabalpur, which later on was transferred to Jabalpur Development Authority. In the said scheme, an area measuring approximately 1232.169 square meters was reserved for construction of cafeteria on the ground floor and the library on the first floor. The area situated adjoining to area earmarked for cafeteria has been earmarked for children park and for a water body and is in existence. The Jabalpur Development Authority, hereinafter referred as the authority, constructed a building measuring 700.99 square meters with two halls on the aforesaid land for the purpose of establishment of cafeteria. Under an agreement dated 18/6/1987, two halls in the building were allotted for running the cafeteria on license without issuing any notice inviting tender. In the year 1992, the license was renewed in favor of a partnership firm comprising three persons, including respondent number 2, for running the cafeteria for a period of 5 years, that is from 18/7/1992 to 27/7/1997. Para. The said license was renewable with enhancement of license fee. During the currency of the license, the licensee expressed its willingness to take the open terrace measuring 8074 square feet on rent, and therefore the aforesaid terrace was allotted on license for a period of 3 years on 1/1/1995. The Housing and Environment Department, Government of Madhya Pradesh, by order dated 24/8/1997, directed the Chief Executive Officer of the authority to cancel the license as the same was granted without inviting any tenders. The authority was further directed to invite tenders and to allot the same to the highest bidder on license. In compliance of the aforesaid order, the authority issued notice of eviction to the licensee. The licensee thereafter filed a writ petition, namely WP number 3022 of 1997, in which the High Court granted stay with regard to proceeding for eviction initiated against the licensee. The licensee thereafter submitted a representation on 7/8 1999 that it is willing to pay entire arrears of rent and shall withdraw the writ petition if the license is renewed. In order to resolve the dispute, instructions were sought from the state government by the authority. Thereupon, the state government vide communication dated 27/10/1999 instructed the authority to decide the issue pertaining to renewal of the agreement at its level, keeping in view the interest of the authority and the litigation which was pending before the High Court. Stop.